Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to diving into the most common types of welding. Whether you're a pro or just curious, stick around for some cool insights. Let's get started. So first we have stick welding, also known as SMAW. It's one of the oldest methods using an electrode stick to create strong and reliable welds. This method is perfect for outdoor jobs or raw surfaces. Next is the MIG welding or the GMAW. So it's all about simplicity and speed. It uses a wire fed gun and is great for beginners. This method works best for auto repairs, manufacturing, and hobby projects. Next is the TIG welding. Uh, Moving on to TIG welding, um, or the JETAW, this techniques is for precision work and delivers clean, high quality welds. It's deal for thinner metals like aluminum or stainless steel. Next is the but remember, it requires more skill and patience in TIG welding or GTAW. And next is the last is the flux core arc welding or we call FCAW. Then there's like flux core welding similar to MIG, but this designed for structural work and outdoor since it doesn't need shielding gas. And there you have it. So those are the um, common types of welding: the GMAW, STIG, MIG, and the FCAW. So which one do you think is the coolest? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more welding tips. And thanks for watching, and keep welding strong.